Now the quiz outline is created. Now we have to create the questions for the quiz. So for that, go to edit quiz, and then here you have an option to add the questions. So click on it, add a new question from the question bank, random question. Add a new question, you can add a new question to the quiz. Question bank is here you have a question bank. So in the question bank you can collect all the questions. Whenever you need, you can use it for the quiz. Random questions, it can be any random question from any categories, you can take it. Now I'll show you how to create a new question. Click on a new question, multiple choice, add it, and then what we have to do is default for general quiz. Yeah, so the question name, I am going to choose the question name as MCQ, and the question text is, where did COVID-19 come from? So here default mark is 1, and then answer only, and multiple number the choices. I'm keeping ABC. I'm keeping this option now. Choice 1 is China. So China is the correct answer, so I will give 100%. Choice 2 is Japan, and then choice 3 is Russia. Choice 4 is Korea. Now what we can do is save changes. So the question is created. Now once the question is created, click on this plus option, preview option. So this is the preview, like how the question looks like. Where did COVID-19 come from? China, Korea, Japan, Russia. So here display option shown. Okay, let me see whether the answer is working or not. So now where did China, and say submit and finish. So that's the correct answer. Close the preview. So whenever you are creating the question, you can check in the preview whether the question is working fine or not. Next question, add new question. Again I'm going to do the multiple choice using images. So click on add. Now general quiz. Okay, so MCQ. Now I'm going to insert an image, and then MCQ with image. Okay, now let's see what is the device shown in the picture. Now we are going to insert a picture. So click on the insert. Now browse, upload a file, choose a file, and this is the picture. Open it and say upload this file. Now we have to give a name for this, and then we can give the size to 400. That's it. Save image. Now the image is saved. For default 1 mark. Now again we will choose ABC. Shuffle the choice. So choices will be, first thing I'm going to give MICR. So this is not the right answer. Second one is barcode reader. And this is the correct answer, so we have to give 100%. Next, printer. is not the right answer, and then plotter. This is not the right answer, so you are not going to choose any grade. Now save changes. Again you will get the preview, so go to the preview and have a look on it. What is the device shown in the picture? So printer, plotter, barcode reader, MICR. So now show display option. Now we will check whether it is working correctly or not. I'll give barcode reader, submit and finish. So this is the right answer. So close preview. Next question is an audio question. So add new question, same multiple choice and add it. So these kind of questions can be used in English exams, quizzes. Okay, so MCQ with audio. You can either upload a file, or you can record the audio, or you can record the video and you can post the question. So let me show you what is the author or what is the speaker talking about. Sorry. Okay, so now let me record the audio. So start recording. Hello students, so I'm going to talk about a disease which is being spread all over the globe. So these diseases came in the month of January and it spread over the globe. It killed almost 6 lakh of people, and people suffer a lot with this disease, and then they have dry cough, symptoms like dry cough, fever and body pain, so on. So the only thing is you need to follow social distancing and wear your mask. That is the only solution for this pandemic disease. So let's record it and then attach the recording. Now options are there. So choice 1, you can give COVID-19. Okay, so yeah, COVID-19. So this is the right answer, so 100%. Choice 2, tuberculosis. And then choice 3, swine flu. And choice 4, malaria. That's it. Now save changes and go to the preview. Yeah, and then you can have a look at the question. You can click on the hello students, so you can listen to the audio and you can mark the answer. Before doing that, I have to give the correct answer here shown and update the display option. Only then it will give me the correct answers. So now I will choose the wrong answer. Let me see whether it is working or not. So malaria, that's the wrong answer. Okay, so this is how we are using multiple choice. So we can use videos, we can use images, create already recorded videos. A lot of options are there about multiple choice.